Hi everyone, this is test 42, and what we're going to be doing is we're taking the same maze runner from project 41, but we are adding some motion sensors to it, and the code basically remained unchanged. The only thing I added were these three variables here: a sensor manager, a sensor, and a sensor event list. And in making the sensor event list and new sensor event listener and everything, it creates these two methods for you: on sensor changed and on accuracy changed. We don't care about on accuracy change. We'll only be using on sensor changed. And then from there you do an if statement, and this whole thing is whether or not it moves right, left, up, or down. So if Rx is greater than 1, it'll move right. If it's less than -1, it'll move left. And that's the same with Ry, just up and down. And after doing that, I went into my before doing that, I created a registered sensor and an unregistered sensor class. And then inside my game view method, or the constructor, I registered the sensor here again. Oh, before doing that, I actually did this here. So sensor manager, and then sensor, and then before the create maze, I put register sensor. And those were basically the only changes I did. So if I run the code here and I get the motions, so if we move it, if we increase the X, you can see it moves right and left. We can go down by moving the Y and go left, back down. So the way to move, and then you'll run into this problem sometimes, but you can just, on a real device, that wouldn't happen. So you would be good. So we're moving down. And it's quite tedious on here since we have to move all these switches and everything. But if you were playing on an actual device, it wouldn't be as difficult as it is here. But you get the idea. So by moving the device, we are able to move this little character here that we were able to just click on and drag around. But now we have to actually move the device in order for this little person to get to the end of it. So I'm almost there by doing that. Okay. As you can see, it kind of gets messed up every now and then, but just because of the way this works. And as you can see, I completed it and everything still works perfectly fine. So I can change this to like a 5 by 12 and change the color to magenta. And it might take a while, but there you go. And you can see everything still works, changes and everything. And that's it. Thank you for watching.